The maximum production capacity is about 380 pieces an hour. Ensure that the accuracy of the white color is about a trace.
Manager Liu, what is the difference between our Hengjinding equipment and other elliptical digital machines that are common on the market today?
What about unique advantages? Mainly, there are the following 2 points. What about the first one? Our machine guarantees your production in the event of some accidents. We made a protection. For example, in a case where your main gas source is out of breath, we will go through an electrically replenished gas device. Use its electric air supply to ensure that your negative pressure is stable. It won't let you die and the ink will run out. And this is a headache for some of our previous customers. What about the second one? You are in the process of production. It lost power. The front of the car is just outside. It's all outside. And then one is ink flow. The second one will keep the nozzle dry. We are in the process of power failure. We don't have a solenoid valve to lock it. Won't let it flow ink. This is the first one. Second, we can move the truck manually. Bring it back to this holding disc position. This can also ensure that we can keep the nozzle moist at all times during the process of power failure. During your next power up, you can directly start production. And then the second advantage is that what is the difference between our white plus color and this ordinary white color? Like an ordinary white color, we know its capacity is very low. You have to finish the lottery in white to play up. You are equivalent to, for example, you type 120 pieces an hour. You cut it in half. Now, it's just you for an hour. Only 60 pieces can be played. Then this white is separated from the color. Its capacity will increase dramatically when your white is playing. Color is also playing, in this case, we've actually tested it on the customer side. Probably the maximum production capacity is 380 pieces an hour and 100 colors come out together. Well, we also went on a field trip, like 100 colors of a Starlight map. We tested it on the customer side. In fact, it can reach 150 pieces. That is to say, our actual production capacity can double to triple that. This is a productive capacity, and the second one, the headache for customers is that after you separate from CIE for nothing, what will you find? It is more troublesome to set the positions of buy and sell. Like we do some high-end printing, you'll find those little dots you typed. You would very deliberately observe whether the small print of it is white and the color set is very neat. We did a lot of optimization on this. For example, you go to a natural color ink machine, or you can match someone else's color ink machine. We can according to the color ink machine, because the color ink machine is the most important. According to an inclination of the color ink machine, we're going to adjust the inclination of the white ink machine to ensure that this white color has exactly the same inclination. Then ensure that the setting accuracy of the white color is about a trace. These are the 2 greatest advantages.
If you just mentioned the capacity, how is it configured?
We're talking about this capacity. It is to guarantee more than 300 pieces. That's 3,000 to 6,000 pieces per day. The configuration of this capacity is that this treatment liquid is for nozzles. Then the foaming of the Starlight also has 4 nozzles. Then League 1's colored ink is 12. The nozzle is in this configuration.
By the way, Manager Liu, do we have any benefits for the market for this equipment now?
Now, it looks like this. Now, we are doing this New Year's event, and then with the blessing of this whole package, one of the biggest discounts we give to the endpoint is the whole package, if you order before now. 800,000 can take it home.